Hi guys, Vinnie with Enriquez Group again here today. I wanted to go over 7 common bank required repairs. We're going to hear this throughout the video. Livability. Okay, so based off the loan type that you're purchasing the property, the livability standards do change. They vary a little bit, right? So VA might be a little more stricter than in some cases than FHA, right? It really varies on the appraiser and how they're assessing it. But livability standards is a huge thing when you're buying a property. So 7 common bank required repairs: updating or repairing the roof to ensure good condition. So again, livability. They want to make sure that when you buy this property, the roof is going to be fine. You're not going to have to put a brand new roof on the property. 2, making any structural repairs. Again, livability. They want to make sure that you're buying the house and the house is not going to fall apart. So if you see any kind of major structural issues with the property, that's usually going to be called out for the most part if the appraiser assesses the property and sees it. So it's going to be a little bit different from what you see on the home inspection that you watch in one of the past videos compared to what happens with the appraisal. All right, so 3, removing any health or safety hazard on the property. Now that could vary. It could be a spillage, but again, livability is a big theme, and they want to make sure that the property is livable for you. Now, number 4, repairing or replacing an outdated or damaged appliance. Now, for the most part, the appraiser is probably not going to try out the different appliances. The only one that technically needs to be working for the appraiser for the most part is the stove. Okay, so they want to make sure that it's a working stove, that you're buying the property, you're not going to have to buy a new stove. And on a side note, you do need a heat source, so that's another item that they'll look into. All right, so 5, making any necessary repairs to the exterior of the property, such as painting or siding. Again, the appraiser wants to make sure the property is livable. Now, the loan type changes what they might be deemed as livable, so it varies, and the time frame. I mean, this could change in a year from now, 2 years from now, but livability is the common theme. Okay, now 6, updating or repairing the flooring. Okay, so you need flooring in the property. It could be carpet, it could be laminate, it could be wood, hardwood. It could be any of that kind of stuff, but it can't just be bare bones. Okay, so you need some sort of flooring, or if the flooring's falling apart, they might request that you fix that. And then lastly, termite. Okay, termite is something that varies from different loan types. All right, so for VA, you're gonna need it. Okay, for FHA, not necessarily, might not need it if it's not in the original offer, and then conventional, not always needed, right? So it does vary. Rules can change, timeframes can change, but termite is something you want to talk to with your realtor. And again, if you don't have a realtor, reach out to myself, the team, 858-345-7829. We would love to kind of guide you through the process to help you buy your new property or sell your last one.